Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Today we're making banga soup, banging banga soup I should say, because this soup you're looking at right now is banging. Before we get started, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. I will put a list of everything I used for this soup in the description box and also mention them as we go along. Alright, let's start cooking. For this banga soup, I'll be using both red scotch bonnet peppers and yellow scotch bonnet peppers for flavor. I'm going to bring these to a smooth blend. Now that we're done blending the peppers, we'll set that aside and prepare the banga paste using palm fruits. This is 1 derica quantity and that's all I used for this soup. I'm going to give this a good rinse and then proceed to boil with just water. If you have been hearing about banga soup and wondered whether it is difficult or easy to cook, I'm going to tell you for free. This is one of the easiest Nigerian soups you can try your hands on. So just follow this recipe and you're good to go. Alright, after boiling for about 15 minutes, I did a check just to see that the palm fruit is very soft now, and as you can see, it's peeling very easy. So I'm going to transfer this into the mortar and sort of mash, not really pound, so we don't break the kernels. Sorry about the light situation here. So after pounding, I added some warm water to extract the palm oil and then removed the kernels and the chaff. Sorry, I lost the video where I did all of that. The extract is what I have just added in the pot now. And to the extract, I'm going to add the blended peppers, some onions, about 1.5 cups of goat meat stock, aiden fruit. I broke one into 2 and I'll drop that. This is banga stick. Drop that too. I have washed it. This is banga spice, about a teaspoon quantity. I added that and I'll cover this to cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll open and taste to see if there's need for stock cube. Of course, I had to adjust with just 1 stock cube. No salt for now. And this is a good time to add some goat meat which has already been cooked. And immediately I will also add my catfish, washed, slime-free catfish. I have also salted this catfish and that's why I won't be adding salt in this soup yet. I want it to cook for a bit and I'll taste for salt. I have a few snails and that's what I'm adding now. I will cover this to cook for another 10 minutes or until it thickens. And 10 minutes later, this is looking so good. So good, it is smelling delicious already. I had to taste for salt and I figured it needed a bit more salt, which I added alongside a generous amount of crayfish powder. At this point, I am not really using my spoon to stir this. I'm just twirling the pot from side to side so as not to break the fish. And I'm going to let this boil on very low heat at this time till the oil floats on top and it thickens even more. Now look at this delicious soup. But more importantly, it tastes absolutely delicious. I wish I could give you some of it to taste. At this point, it is completely okay to take out the banga stick and the aiden fruit. Their job is done. But I don't know if you have noticed at this point that something is missing in this soup. You may be asking yourself, when is she going to add the dried banga leaves? That's the beletete. My people, I forgot. The day I made this soup, I completely forgot to add beletete. But the next day when I wanted to heat up the remaining soup to eat, I finally remembered and I added it to the soup and heated it up. So please don't be like me. Add the beletete 2 minutes before you're done cooking. It should be the last thing you add. Thank you everyone for watching this banga soup recipe. Let me know if you like the recipe in the comments and if you would like to cook yours soon. Please like and subscribe if you have not done that already. I will see you soon with another amazing recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.